This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video series on location on Earth. In this topic, we're going to cover time zones. So here's the map of the world showing all of the different time zones. And up the top of this map, we're shown how many hours we are either ahead or behind the time zone of London and Greenwich. Now we can use this information to figure out the time in a different place if we know the time in one place already. So for example, here's Brisbane, and let's say it is 7:30 a.m. in Brisbane. What time is it going to be in, let's say, Beijing? So we can see we're in this +10 time zone. Beijing is in the +8 time zone. So Beijing is 2 time zones behind us. That means that Beijing is 7:30 a.m. minus 2 hours. So they're 2 hours behind us. So 7, that's 6, that's 5:30 a.m. in Beijing. What if it's the other way around? Let's say we're in Berlin. It's let's go 2:15 p.m. in Berlin. What time is it going to be in Hong Kong? So Berlin is in the time zone +1. Hong Kong is in +8. Beijing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 time zones ahead. So using the time in Berlin, we're going to add 7 hours. 2 plus 7 is 9:15 p.m. in Hong Kong. I can't even spell Kong. Hong Kong, there we go. So going backwards, we take away hours. Going forwards, we add them. What if we're on the complete other side of the world? Let's go with Adelaide, down the bottom here. And in Adelaide, it is currently 8 a.m. Tuesday. In Adelaide. You can actually read that. There we go. And we want to find what time it is in Los Angeles. Now here's a big rule. You cannot cross the international date line. To figure out what time it is in Los Angeles, we have to go all the way around the world. So if you want to count, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to pop around the other side of the world. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 hours. And we're moving this way, so it's behind. Right? We can't cross the international date line. Can't do that. So 17 hours behind. 8 a.m. minus 17 hours. And that's a problem. So now we're going to go back a day. If we have a clock over here, it's currently 8 o'clock. We're going to go back these 8 hours. And then 17 minus 8, we're going to go back another 9 hours to make up the 17 hours. So going back 9 hours from here, which would be 12 o'clock midnight, that'd be 3 o'clock, 3 p.m., 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But this is going to be the day beforehand. It's going to be Monday. So we're going back a day. And that's what this international date line represents. So one side here, the difference here is one full day. So this side of the international date line is one full day ahead of this side. So when it's 8 a.m. Tuesday in Adelaide, it's going to be 3 p.m. Monday in Los Angeles. And that is how you use time zones on a map.